That's the big boy.
Is that the big boy, Nick?
That is the big boy. Rock, why don't you come over here and take a look at this thing?
For the record, Alan did spot this.
Yeah, because this may be the only time I see it, because Alan's probably not going to get it.
Oh, here. I'm on safety, so you can come out in front of me. Nobody's. So stand up. Probably have to stand up. You can see it's real black back, but then all you see is the yellow of its chin. He's kind of facing this way, angling kind of towards the truck. All you can do is see the yellow of his chin.
Yeah, if he wasn't 3 pounds, I don't know if I would have seen him. He's a big one.
Oh yeah.
He'll be fun to collect too.
Well, I'm not going to try to shoot him from here. I'm going to try to sneak up just a little bit.
He's right over there where we were at too.
I'm glad you pointed that out, Rock.
Daddy sang bags.
All right.
I got him. Whenever you get a clear shot, take it. Once you feel good.
How's my makeup, Rock?
You still look beautiful.
Missed. Right in front of his nose.
Ain't very jumpy.
Nope. Sure you don't need me to take that shot, Nick?
I just hope he doesn't wind me.
I can smell your gunpowder. Got him. Oh no. He jumped. Might have to get the net on that one.
Boy, float up. Let's get there quick. Sink.
Yep, he's big enough he'll sink.
Safety's on. I hit him because the way he jumped, he went sideways.
You got him. Okay, me and Nick just took a shot, frog apiece on the other side of the pond, but here we noticed a floating frog. This is one we think we weren't able to recover a moment ago. Just floated up to the surface near the bank.
Yep, that's our man.
All right, man. Get him.
How crazy is that?
That's good, dude. Is that the big one?
Yep.
Nice.
Good eating size. Wow, what a blessing. Hey, right through the side. Went out that side. I mean, look at that.
That's a big toad, man.
Yeah.
Rock on.
Good size.
Yeah. Hey, we'll take it. We got 2 more over here we need to try and gather
Grab out
up.
of the water.
Yep.
Alright.
All right, folks. Well, we're going to do a quick catch, clean, and cook video for you. Just give you a real quick how-to on skinning some of these monster frogs we got out of Nick's farm here. So, just give you a quick rundown of it. So really, just going to try and keep it real simple and easy. First thing you'll need is a really heavy-duty set of 10 snips or snipping shears, and you start off by right here at this ankle joint. Just go ahead and just snip that off into your bucket. Get both those taken off there. Take you any knife, sharper the better. Run it across the back right there. Grab your vice grips or skinning. Just grab a hold of the skin there, pull it right off. Just taking his pants off. Well, this one's a little bit tougher. There you go, drop it right in your bucket. Take your take your 10 snips here, and there's 2 bones right there in the back bones. Take that right underneath that bone. Snip both those bones halfway through. Ooh, still fresh. Have that connected there still with a little piece of skin. Put that in your gut bucket. Trim that right off. Get your nice set of frog legs there. You take your snips again. You put that right in between the legs there. Cut right through that bone. Put it in the keep pile. Let's do another one real quick. Find another big one in here. Alright, definitely going to have to be doing some cleanup here. Anyway, grab your frog, take your 10 snips, snip off right there at that ankle joint, drop it into the bucket. Little slimy fellers. Get your knife, run that right across the back of his head there, cut through the skin. Grab him easily with your vice grips. Pull that skin straight off his back there, down his legs, pull the pants off. Drop in the bucket. Your 10 snips right underneath those 2 bones right there in the back. Cut them off. You got it holding there with that skin. Put it over the bucket. Cut that right off. Got a nice good set of frog legs there. 10 snips right there. Legs. You're good to go. There you have it, folks. Quick and easy way how to clean and skin your frogs. Stay tuned with us. We'll be showing you a little bit more on how to clean them and prepare for the skillet. Stay tuned with us. Alright folks, Alan Rubel coming back at you for Ozark Mountain Outdoor Adventures. Special treat for you here today. We have another catch, clean, and cook video for you. If you've been staying to the channel, you might have seen that squirrel cooking video. Those turned out super awesome, and I'm hoping we can do the same here again today with these ginormous frog legs we got here on this hunt. So anyway, stay tuned with us. Alright folks, well with the squirrel video, it turned out super awesome, but it was a little bit lengthy of a video. Still awesome, but I'm trying not to do that to you here again today. Maybe not show every step of the process, but this is going to basically be a country style, my country style chicken / deer recipe. So hopefully it'll turn out well for the frog legs. I don't have any slap your mama or any kind of super spicy, maybe Cajun style frog legs, but we're going to cook them up country style for you, so let's check it out. Okay, show you here real quick. Super simple ingredients: all-purpose flour, all vegetable shortening. You know it to be true. Garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. We'll be dipping these in basic eggs, milk with these ingredients you see here. All right. So I understand that frog legs are not for everyone, and neither is fish, catfish, you know, for that matter. But I cannot pass up just a good tasting frog legs. I want to show you here real quick some of these monsters we got going on here. Check out the beefy legs we got from Nick's Pond. I'm telling you what, let me find another big one here. Check it out, man. Now, these are some monster legs. I've been letting these soak for a few days in salt water. It tends to help loosen them up a little bit. But monster frog legs. I'm going to take a little bit extra time in preparation here to do some additional cleaning and also to score the legs. That'll help let the batter get into the meat a little bit deeper and also make it much more tender morsel. Alright folks, like I said, it took a few more minutes here to do a little bit more prep work, a little bit more cleaning, and like I said, I like to score the meat. But anytime I'm doing deer, you know, turkey, squirrel, whatever, taking a little extra time to do the right preparation will definitely go a long way, but I wanted to show you here an example of just kind of how I like to score that meat. I think it tenderizes it a little bit and allows that that batter to get down in there and makes it all so wonderful. So anyway, I'm going to get it in the batter here and get her in the frying pan. Stay tuned. All right, so I've already went ahead and added the garlic powder, salt, pepper to the flour, and for the sake of my sanity here recently, I've been doing the quick easy job, just putting it in here, shaking it up, and then I let my grease get hot, and then I do double dip. I'm a double dipper, if you didn't already know. So anyway, I'll go ahead and get these ready for the skillet. Oh, my mouth's already starting to water. Stay tuned with us. All right, well, we got our grease getting hot here. It's looking like probably 2 skillets worth here. I don't think I can get it all into one. That first skillet's always the best. Got clean grease. I don't like it when it starts to get those. I love the crunchies, but the crunchies also burn easy on the bottom of the pan. So got it on high heat for now because I really want that grease to get hot for the start, and then I will turn it down to medium heat, or about 3/4 of the way there, midway. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and double dip these and get the first ones in the batch here for the first skillet. Oh yeah. Looky there, folks. Look at the size of that frog leg. It's the size of a chicken leg. So I'll try and get them all in here. Tell you now, these are going to be fantastic. And just give these a stir. Said I didn't want to overload this first skillet, but I'll be able to get 1 or 2 more in there. Definitely want to make sure the frog legs are done. They will be tough. So, look at the size of that frog leg. One reason, again, we'll have it on high heat. Now, that is a mess full of frog legs right there. Alright folks, there you go. Look at them frog legs. Already been salt and peppered. Those look like stinking rabbit legs. That's how big they are. You give them just another couple minutes to cool down. I'll take the first bite. Alright folks, here we go. First bite. Look at the size of this frog leg. Like a drumstick. It's still pretty hot, but you know, they're always going to be best. I mean, super hot. I think you can eat them you know, once they're cold or the next day, but they're always best when they're super hot. Ooh, here we go. Oh, thank you, Lord Jesus. Bless this food in your name, amen. Oh my Lord. Folks, I don't mean to make you hungry or anything, but these are the bomb. Oh yes. Thank you, Lord. Boy, they're super tender. I do want to thank Nick for letting us hunt out of his family farm. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned with us. We are going to be doing some more small game hunting. I like to get some more frogs, squirrel, rabbit. So stay tuned with us.